back
to our channel.
to our channel.
Right now,
Right now,
we are
going
going,
to the jungle.
going to the jungle. Yeah. So say, come with us.
Come with us.
Yeah, right now we will go somewhere. Let's see where we will go. So come with us.
In the
So we are going now, Esther and Mama, on a beautiful sunny day. Here is my Esther, and here it is.
picnic.
Yeah. See. Yeah, the view looks like this here. I'm pushing her, and we have down there juice, water, some snacks if we are hungry, thirsty. And here is a garden. Oh, what the master? Look at this. Oh, yo, what is coming out here? Yeah, big one. Oh, go. Ayo, this kopi do. Boil soya chung ngaya boil kori na khabule moni tu kila kopi ase oi man tangor. Sabi do? Ay, malik bi ai na nasai de. Man tangor. Ay. Wow, big garden here. Yeah, they've made a picture of a man and a woman, Esther. Because someone is going to get married, no? Yeah, they're gonna stay together soon. That's made out of hay. Jenny und Jens. Okay, we'll go this side, okay? And see, there is big market coming out in that signboard. It's written 23 to 26 August. Oh yeah, that's the police. Esther is screaming, oh, police. Wait, okay? Let the car go, then only we will cross. And here, it's so nice because footpath is there. Even if the cars are going from there, it's safe to walk from in the footpath with kids also, no problem. And see, full of trees, and so nice. And here, bench is also there, dustbin is also there. You can just sit down. Esther, okay, I'll take. Here is Esther. Here is the footpath, and here is the road. Esther, we'll go now.
We will have a picnic.
Yeah. Okay, Esther. Here we are. We reached the place. We'll go inside there now, Esther. So we will go there. And here is like this. See, if you're bringing a dog and your dog is pooping, then you have to take that plastic and pick up the dog poop and put in the dustbin here. You are not allowed to leave the dog poop just like that and go away. You have to pick it up. Esther Cookma, where are we?
We're going to have some picnic.
We're in the playground, Esther.
On the playground.
Don't you know that? We're in the playground. I brought you in the playground. And see, this one, so nicely they made this spot, na? See? Yeah, nice flower, no, Esther? Yeah, wunderschön, wunderbar. Guck mal. Yeah, looks like someone is also there, or let's go and see. Yeah, I thought of, okay, let Esther also enjoy because she likes playing. Big playground, yeah. Oh, no one is there. That's nice. Yeah. You wanna play in the sand, na, Esther? Yeah. So let's go, okay? Sand castle. Okay. Okay. Let's go. See, big trees are here. Okay, Sandburg. Okay. Yeah, that is also something. Let's go. Yeah, I'll let Esther play now. Yeah, no one is there. We are alone, Esther and me alone in this big area. Look, no one is here. No one is here. That's also nice. No, it's good to be alone also. We are here. I took bath just now, so my hair is not yet dry, but it's hot, and Esther is enjoying here. Yeah. You go inside and play, Esther, na? Go inside. Yeah. Sure. Your sand toys, yeah?
My sand toys.
Yeah. If it's very hot, you can go there also, Esther, in the shade.
In
and play. Yeah, go and play, okay? Meanwhile, when Esther is playing, I'll sit here and edit my videos. Esther is there sitting on a snail, no?
Here.
So much in love with snail. You see snails all the time in mommy's garden, yeah, Esther? Look here.
Mama, see this cup.
Yeah, come. Let's go now. Enough. We'll come next time. Yeah, bye-bye playground, na?
Not by the playground.
Come. We'll go, Esther.
No, there's cup here in the house.
Now we are going home, and here is also another farm. Ayo! Ay, the chicken. Ah, kudu. Ida, shanginde zoga ida. Ayo, so cute. Nice, Esther. The chicken. Aiju, they're so friendly. They're not even scared. Oh, not scared. Wow. So many chicken, Esther. The thing is, here it's not allowed to kill the chicken at home and eat though. Not allowed. You need license if you want to kill the chicken at home. So only the butcher, no, they can kill. Only they are allowed to kill. That's the thing. Otherwise, enyo ko ijo iti na iti choy saje. Tel bishi thagi bonish na idu kala wala do anda dias nagi. Dukan do bishi mitha hobo. Oh, adwa losun. Adwa losun local tamatar haligi na khaile do. Aya, so nice, yeah. So many chicken, no, Esther? Kokma. Wow.
The sea back.
Yeah, pak.
And so very well, that chicken.
Yeah, this is like a village area farm. Horse bhi ase, cow khan bhi ase, goru khan bhi.
Not the chicken.
Yeah, Kokma, the chicken, they are so friendly. They are not even scared. I can just go and catch them.
Chicken's in hungry.
Bye chicken, na?
Chicken
Yeah, hunga ya.
Hungry chicken.
Yeah,
Chicken had
hunga.
hungry bowl.
Yeah.
Hungry.
And see, here is chicken, and there also imman naspati ase oh, cherry bhi bhorta ase de. There are lots of pear, and this is chestnut. Chestnut is coming out here. Wow. The owner is not coming and plucking or what. So nice, yeah. There lots of peach hanging there. I can see. This chicken is following me. Come, follow me till my home, chicken. Let's go home together, chicken. Na, Esther? And you'll end up in my pot. Just kidding. No, not home. I'm telling to the chicken, oh. The birds.
The bird is flying in the road.
Yeah.
I'll catch them, Mom.
Yeah. We'll just go around here a little bit. See, it's kind of empty place. Oh, look at the cat there, Esther. The cat. Can you see the cat? Meow meow. Meow meow. See, she looks like tiger.
No, that's not tiger.
Yeah, that's a cat, nah.
I can't dolphin.
Yeah. And look at this wood. So nice na. Ajola ule motsa over there. Thick para sugishe. It's dried very nicely. It will be very good to burn this wood. See? But this area, oh, there also lots of wood is there. See? See, in winter time, no? In Germany, everyone has chimney inside the house just to make the house warm, not to do anything else. So everyone keeps wood like this because it's very cold now in winter time. There also lots of wood are there, and there also, see, lots of wood there also here. See, lots are piled up there. And this area, since it's a farm place, it smells animals poop. Januar laga paikana gondhai itu side de do. Yeah. Sebi farm ase to he. Murgi bhorta ase sabi murgi ka nahi ase. Anda karne pale do na. For laying eggs, they keep chicken. Pak. Yeah. Pak. And look at this, in that tree, apples are getting ripe. Hey, lal kurigina sabi do he na apple kan aya jai kina. ulai gina khabule mon loye chongwa ya apple jang menana. And here see, for tomato they make like this kind of house, greenhouse. Ah, chicken is there. Okay, let's go further and see what is there. Nice, huh? No, not home. We'll just go around now. At home also, what we will do? So hot, then nothing else to do. Oh, these are all rose garden, full of roses. Esther and me, we will take a little bit rest under this tree. Oh, this is neem tree though. Itu neem asne ki. I'll see you again. I don't know whether it's neem or not. It's very hot though in the sun though. Or sabi, tukan to pura loy she ata laga kheti na. Ah, hoi neem tree ase de tita ase do. This is neem tree do. Sabi do Esther do tai laga papa laga shaving blade cholai thakise do age de he pura kati gina ase he. Oh nine. La, I'm seeing now only. Before at home, no, I saw Esther holding shaving blade from her papa in the bathroom. She used to see papa doing like this. So all here full of cut now because Esther was shaving like papa. Oh nine, Esther. You also want to shave your beard like papa. See, all here you cut with the shaving blade, Esther.
Papa, upside.
That's papa, no, but you cannot do like papa. Why are you shaving? Ayale. What to do? This girl. Anyway, yeah, we'll take rest for some time and then we will go home. Okay, say bye-bye. Then we'll eat sunga. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you for watching.